Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. Ethereum wallet. Data from Slowmist, meanwhile, appear to show that combined Ukrainian government and NGO donations in crypto were actually closer to the United States $51 million mark. A number of the NGOs and associated charities accept donations in other altcoins. A further 0.2 million worth of DOT has also been contributed, per the data compilers, in addition to a single BTC donation worth United States $3 meters. This comes on top of a United States $10 meters donation from the crypto exchange Binance, as well as a donation from the FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. But it is not just centralized crypto exchanges and their founders who are getting in on the act. One of the most popular decentralized exchanges in the crypto world, Uniswap, announced that it had created an interface that allows crypto users to convert all their 20 tokens to ETH and donate them to the Ukrainian government in a single transaction. The conflict appears to have escalated, with Russian forces claiming on March 2 to have captured the southern port city of Kherson. Airborne soldiers are also reported to have been deployed to Kharkiv, with a large convoy of military vehicles reportedly still posted outside the capital Kyiv. And a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra models on screen at the Samsung 837X Connectivity Theater. Metaverse fans could also watch the action live on Samsung's YouTube channel and other social platforms. In the first 11 hours since its launch on February 9, over 10,000 users have participated in the Samsung Unpacked 2022. The Epic smartphone standard, making it one of the most popular Decentraland (MANA) events to date. Despite complaints about technical difficulties, attendees said they were pleased with the South Korean electronics company's willingness to embrace emerging technology and focus on sustainability. Theoretically, users could pre-order new products by clicking the icon, which would take the user to the Samsung website. However, technical issues have plagued this feature, and many people have complained about it on Samsung's Twitter. Is this a site glitch? I can't even check out in my shopping cart, one user asked. Another user responded by saying that the same thing happened to him. They added that it looks like scalpers and robots are trying to outshine everyone. Meanwhile, others complained that they failed to get the NFT badge reward for completing the Turn Red Hearts Green treasure hunting game. By the way, it is reported that this quest will last 5 days and end on February 14. Upon entering the Samsung 837X space, a hologram prompts users to find and collect 5 discarded cardboard box 0.66% intraday. The bullish candle retests the resistance trendline of the falling wedge pattern, attempting a bullish breakout. However, the buyers would face multiple resistance on its path, trying to limit the potential rally. The declining 20-day EMA could soon nosedive below the 200-day EMA. MANA price is poised to break out of the wedge formation. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $477 million, indicating an 82.5% gain. The DECENTRAL that more cryptocurrencies will be added soon. And the move was followed up by a United States $5.8 meters donation from the founder of the Polkadot network, Gavin Wood. In a blog post, Elliptic explained that several other crypto donations of more than United States $1 million had made donations both to the Ukrainian government and NGOs providing support to the military to the tune of United States $33.8 meters through close to 30,000 Cryptosa donations since the start of the Russian invasion. Per the data, which the site claimed was accurate as of March 1 at UTC 2355, the CryptoPunk NFT worth some United States $200,000 had also been donated and was now in the Ukrainian government's 37%, hitting the $2.2 support. This reversal pattern could kickstart a recovery rally once the price gives a genuine breakout from the overhead resistance. As price action narrows inside the wedge, we are likely to see a breakout soon. However, the technical chart shows the buyers need to overcome a confluence of resistance levels, such as the descending trendline, 20 and 200 EMA. If they succeed, the bullish rally will hit a 22% high resistance of $2.88, followed by the $3.5. The coin holders are exposed to a bearish breakdown until the pattern is intact, indicating a 22% downside risk. Technical indicator: the Mana price has recently nosedived below the 200-day EMA, indicating a bearish tendency. Moreover, a potential negative crossover among the 20 and 200 EMA could bolster a bearish fallout. The relative strength index slope travels a sluggish rally below the neutral zone, maintaining negative sentiment among traders. Resistance level: $2.5 and $2.88 support level: $2.22 and $1.7. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.